Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to join our learning journey. Capital city, Belfast is the capital of Northern Ireland, known for its shipbuilding history, including being the birthplace of the RMS Titanic. Giant's Causeway, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The Giant's Causeway is famous for its unique basalt column formations created by ancient volcanic activity. Titanic Museum. The Titanic Belfast Museum is located on the site where the Titanic was built and is one of the city's most popular attractions. Political division. Northern Ireland is part of the United Kingdom, while the Republic of Ireland is a separate, independent country. The Troubles. From the late 1960s to the 1990s, Northern Ireland experienced a period of conflict known as the Troubles, involving nationalist and unionist communities. Peace walls. These barriers still exist in some parts of Belfast, separating nationalist, mainly Catholic, and unionist, mainly Protestant neighborhoods. The Mourne Mountains. This mountain range, located in County Down, is famous for its scenic beauty and hiking trails, and inspired C.S. Lewis's Narnia. Game of Thrones, filming. Many scenes from the hit show Game of Thrones were filmed in Northern Ireland, particularly in places like Dark Hedges and Ballintoy. Lough Neagh. The largest freshwater lake in the British Isles is located in Northern Ireland, covering 392 square kilometers. Carrick-a-Rede rope bridge. A popular tourist attraction, this bridge links the mainland to the tiny island of Carrick-a-Rede and offers stunning coastal views. Derry, Londonderry. Known for its well-preserved city walls, Derry is one of the best examples of a walled city in Europe. Bushmills Distillery. The Old Bushmills Distillery, located in County Antrim, is the oldest licensed whiskey distillery in the world, dating back to 1608. St. Patrick. Northern Ireland celebrates St. Patrick's Day, as it is said that St. Patrick, the patron saint of Ireland, began his mission there. Irish Sea. Northern Ireland is bordered by the Irish Sea to the east, which separates it from Great Britain. Stormont. The Stormont estate in Belfast is home to the Northern Ireland Assembly, the devolved legislature for the region. Slieve Donard. The highest mountain in Northern Ireland, located in the Mourne Mountains, stands at 850 meters. Ulster Fry. A popular local dish, the Ulster Fry is a hearty breakfast that includes bacon, eggs, sausages, soda bread, and potato bread. The Ulster Scots. Many people in Northern Ireland are of Ulster Scots descent, reflecting a mix of Irish and Scottish cultural heritage. Peace agreement. The Good Friday Agreement, signed in 1998, helped bring peace to Northern Ireland after decades of conflict. The Cathedral Quarter. A cultural and creative hub in Belfast, the Cathedral Quarter is known for its lively arts scene, pubs, and restaurants.